Cancer is a word that brings fear into our hearts, but what if I told you there are natural ways to fight back? You may already have powerful cancer-fighting drinks in your kitchen that could help protect your body. Today, we'll explore 3 powerful drinks scientifically shown to fight cancer. Stay tuned, what you learn could change your life. What if a simple drink could support your body's defense against cancer? Let's dive into 3 natural drinks that you should start incorporating into your routine. In today's video, we're sharing 3 scientifically backed drinks that can help your body fight cancer. Whether you're looking to prevent the disease or support someone you love, these drinks are packed with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, and natural cancer-fighting compounds. We'll break down how each drink works, what research says, and how you can easily make these beverages part of your daily routine. You don't want to miss this. A study published in the Journal of Cancer Prevention found that regular consumption of green tea can lower the risk of developing several types of cancer, including breast, liver, and prostate cancer. The active compounds, such as EGCG, apicalocatechin gallate, have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and prevent the spread of tumors. Green tea works by neutralizing free radicals in the body, which are responsible for cellular damage that can lead to cancer. The high levels of antioxidants in green tea not only protect cells but also boost your immune system, helping your body fight off potentially harmful cells. Many people have incorporated green tea into their daily lives as a part of their wellness journey. I have a friend who replaced sugary drinks with green tea, and after months of consistent use, she felt a noticeable improvement in her energy levels and overall health. Drink 2 to 3 cups of freshly brewed green tea a day. You can enjoy it hot or iced, and if you're feeling adventurous, try adding a slice of lemon for an extra dose of antioxidants. Pomegranate juice is another powerhouse drink when it comes to fighting cancer. This vibrant red juice is loaded with antioxidants, especially polyphenols, which play a key role in fighting inflammation and cancer cells. According to research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, pomegranate juice may slow the growth of prostate cancer cells. Another study from Cancer Prevention Research indicated that the juice inhibits the spread of cancer cells and even induces apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in cancer cells. The polyphenols in pomegranate juice neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce inflammation, which are 2 major contributors to cancer. The juice also contains compounds that disrupt the spread of cancer cells, making it a powerful ally in your cancer prevention efforts. I know someone who included pomegranate juice in their diet after their cancer diagnosis, and it became a daily ritual. Though it was part of a broader treatment plan, they felt empowered by incorporating something so simple yet effective into their diet. 1 cup of pomegranate juice a day is enough to reap its benefits. You can drink it on its own or mix it into smoothies for a refreshing boost. Turmeric and ginger are both known for their anti-inflammatory properties, but did you know they can also help fight cancer? This powerful combination contains curcumin, from turmeric, and gingerol, from ginger, both of which have been shown to reduce cancer cell growth. A study from Molecular Cancer Therapeutics found that curcumin could slow the growth of cancer cells, especially in colorectal cancer. Similarly, ginger has been found to be effective in killing ovarian and prostate cancer cells, as published in the British Journal of Nutrition. Curcumin and gingerol work by suppressing inflammatory markers in the body that are linked to cancer. This combination also boosts the immune system, helping it to detect and destroy abnormal cells before they can turn into cancer. Turmeric and ginger tea is a staple in many households. A family friend swears by this tea for its immune-boosting properties, and it has helped her manage inflammation-related issues for years. Brew a cup of turmeric and ginger tea in the evening. Add a bit of honey and black pepper to enhance absorption, and drink it warm to relax your body and mind before bed. Can these drinks cure cancer? While these drinks have powerful cancer-fighting properties, they should not be considered cures. Always consult with a healthcare professional if you or a loved one has been diagnosed with cancer. How much of these drinks should I consume daily? Moderation is key. 2 to 3 cups of green tea, 1 cup of pomegranate juice, and a cup of turmeric and ginger tea are good starting points. As with anything, balance is crucial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more natural health tips. Let us know in the comments if you've tried any of these drinks and what your experience has been. Do you know of other cancer-fighting drinks we should talk about in future videos? Drop your suggestions below. In summary, green tea, pomegranate juice, and turmeric and ginger tea are powerful natural drinks that have shown great promise in the fight against cancer. Remember to consult with your doctor before making any major changes to your diet, but adding these drinks to your routine could be a simple step toward better health. In our next video, we'll explore 5 incredible superfoods that boost your immune system. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it.